Hey folks, there you are. Listen, AC Mike here. Showboat Hotel Resort. You want to live the ultimate live, work, play experience? You can do it right here at Showboat Hotel Resort. If you're looking for a beachfront apartment home with all the amenities, first class that is, on the Atlantic City Boardwalk, you've come to the right place. Come with me. From the world's largest beachfront indoor water park and largest arcade on the East Coast to one of the best surf beaches in the area, we've got a place for you. You can choose from a studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom. This 2 bedroom has 24-hour concierge, gym access, and housekeeping, and so much more. As you can see, the living room has modern furnishings, very spacious. Kitchen, full size, everything you could possibly need, it's all right here at Showboat Hotel Resort. Folks, here we are in the master bedroom. Huge bed for you or your significant other. Plenty of room in your walk-in closet. Bathroom supplied with linens and towels. Housekeeping, I told you. This is what you get here when you get an apartment on the beach on the world-famous historic Atlantic City Boardwalk at Showboat Hotel Resort. Here we are in the second bedroom. 2 queen-size beds. Same huge, spacious walk-in closet, bathroom. Friends, family, whoever it may be, this is where they'll be. Friends, so no matter which apartment you choose, make sure you do it here because it's pretty amazing living on the beach at Showboat Hotel Resort. We can't wait for you to live, work, play AC here at Showboat. For more information, go to residence@showboat.com.